Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling an essential topic for all Canva users: how to save and export your designs. Whether you're creating a social media post, a presentation, or any other type of design, knowing how to properly save and export your work is crucial. Let's dive right in. Saving your design. First things first, saving your design. Canva automatically saves your work as you go, so you don't need to worry about losing your progress. However, it's always good practice to manually save your design. To do this, simply click on File in the top left corner and select Save. This ensures your design is up to date. Exporting your design. Next, let's move on to exporting your design. Click on the Share button at the top right corner of the screen, then select Download. You'll see several file format options like PNG, JPG, PDF, MP4, and GIF. Choose the format that best suits your needs. For high-quality images, go with PNG. For documents, choose PDF. Customizing export settings. Before you download, you can customize your export settings. For example, if you're exporting a PNG, you can choose the size and check the transparent background option if needed. For PDFs, you can select Standard for regular quality or Print for high-quality prints. Make sure to adjust these settings based on your project requirements. Downloading and saving. Once you've customized your settings, click the Download button. Your design will be processed and saved to your computer. Make sure to check the download location on your device to ensure it's saved where you want it. You can also rename the file for easier identification later. Sharing your design. Besides downloading, Canva offers various sharing options. You can share directly via email, generate a shareable link, or even post to social media platforms directly from Canva. Choose the method that works best for you and your audience. And that's it. Now you know how to save and export your designs in Canva like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.